Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome to the RAMShard server tutorial. In this video we'll be covering how to op yourself on your Minecraft Java Edition server. Now this is a pretty straightforward task. The first thing I want to do is head over to your control panel. Once in the control panel, click where it says console. On the console page you should see a text box, and when entering console commands be sure not to use a slash. Now in that text box you want to type in OP, then your username. So I'll be typing op RAMShard. After you do that, hit enter. You will want to repeat this for all the users you want to make an operator on your server. And that is how you easily op yourself and your friends on your Minecraft Java Edition server. If this tutorial has helped, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Remember, you can always send us a message on our live chat for further help.